was easy.
Everybody could just bust that open. Ours don't look like the one I be seeing on TV. Ours don't look like theirs, bro.
Right. I would pop up all of them just to see.
I wonder if I just pop this bitch over my hand. Yeah, you can pop that up. Oh, this one look more like it.
Champagne popping video, and today we trying some more fruits.
Keeping it exotic for y'all.
Exotic fruits from Full Moon Fruits. Know what I'm saying? Check them out on Instagram. That's how I found them. But they do got just a site, fullmoonfruits.com, I believe. But yeah, they send you a little thing to scan your fruits, and you can you know, they tell you everything you want to know about your fruit. But we already know, so we just gonna let y'all know. But there we go. So anyways, before we get into this video, make sure y'all like, make sure y'all comment, and make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all also turn on those post notifications so y'all get notified every time we upload, because we've been uploading.
And they dropping. I'm about to say, because they dropping.
So, the fruits that we're trying today is kumquats. They like, basically they say like they're a mixture of like tangerines and oranges or whatever, but you're supposed to eat the skin. You can peel it and eat the skin, but they say they best eaten with the skin, so I guess that's how we're gonna try it. I'm a little back and forth about that, but hey. Then we also got the blood oranges. I ain't never had a blood orange. I actually heard they're pretty good. I like regular oranges, so we should see. We got these kiwi berries.
I'm gonna love those. I think I'm gonna love those. So
they're basically like kiwis but berries.
That's the main thing I'm waiting to eat.
And we got these. It's a little throwing me off.
I'm iffy on those.
These are called rambutans.
Those used to fall off the trees.
You crack this open, and then you know what's in here is like a little ball, I believe you eat. So it looks a little, I don't know, I'm a little nervous to try that one, but
that look foreign.
That
look exotic. So, out of all these, that look the most exotic.
Definitely. So once we try them all, as we try them all, we're gonna rate them 1 to 5, what we like the best or whatever. But yeah, so we got all the stuff inside because he planning on making a smoothie with this stuff. So yeah, but
definitely.
Try to make a smoothie out of any damn thing.
Let's see what we got. What's we gonna start with?
We can do the blood oranges first. You could cut
blood orange. You know, I was iffy about which one was gonna look the best though. What you think? You might have to cut them all.
You said it really don't matter though, remember? So just cut.
I'm gonna go with this one.
Yeah, that one looked like the most perfect.
Right, it does. You know me and knives, girl.
You said you wanted to cut it.
I know.
No, you already started wrong. You start from the end.
What end? The end?
Yeah.
Nah, that's too much. That's too much for my fingers.
Boy.
I'm going half. That's how I do mine. Oh, it's looking red in there.
Oh. That looks scary. Ugh, look nasty actually. I'm a little nervous.
Try to think.
I heard they good, but I'm nervous.
We gotta go in. We gotta try this.
Okay, try. You know, you gotta color quarters. Yeah. If it's good, I'm gonna eat them, but these look crazy.
This look like.
You gotta cut another one too.
Nah,
that's too big. You cut it in the quarter.
She's scared. My mama cut them forward, put it in there, make a smile, cheese. Yeah, sure. Now you playing with my fingers and shit, bro.
I mean, I could have did it, but I'm saying that was a big piece. So you trying something.
I'll just split it from there.
A quarter one? Yeah. Like that.
Alright, we're about to get down. I love it though, because it is on something, it's different, but at the same time, it's like, infected different or
right,
something. Like
look crazy.
this is like the kind of fruit that they ate on the movie and it just spread a worldwide disease. This that fruit.
Okay,
You try
ready?
it? Yeah. A little more bitter.
I think it's sweeter actually.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
It's a little more bitter. Then I'm working on. My jaw's tingling too much.
Mine ain't tingled at all. And my child's tingled tasty. Actually,
For the most
bad,
part, it's
like
regular
that.
orange.
I get that one a 4.
I'm adding him to my smoothie.
I get that one a 4.
Yeah, he get a 4. Strong 4. Let me take this doesn't juice everywhere. I'll be disappointed.
Yeah, I don't mind taking big pieces. Ooh, good.
I want the kumquats next. That sounds sexual, kumquats.
They said we're supposed to eat the skin of these, y'all. That's crazy.
Yeah.
I ain't feeling that.
The supposed to go straight in.
Let me take a small one. Yeah, I'm gonna take
I
this.
gotta eat the skin. Hold on, I'm gonna do 2. I don't know about her. My first one, I'm about to just cut this one open first. Then I'm gonna eat one whole. I gotta see what this skin like. Watch this. Yeah, see, this skin feels just like the skin of a regular.
Right.
I'm not about to eat this whole.
They say you can, though. You gotta try it. That's how it tastes.
This is a tiny orange. I don't know if I can eat that whole.
Just try it. Because they say you can. The skin is edible. The skin on orange
Well, I
is
eat
not
half.
edible.
I'm going half.
Okay, well, I'm gonna do the other half then. Come on.
You gotta do seed. Do I got a seed in it though?
Yeah, it look like it. Mm-hmm.
I don't want to eat that seed.
You gotta put it all in your mouth and bite it.
Shit, but we gotta eat it whole.
Shit, I was just gonna bite half of it. Still gonna bite the skin.
Alright.
Taking the juice.
Nah,
out.
go ahead, eat your seed. Come on.
Alright, whatever, come on. That's bitter as hell. And
I
that's
like
skin.
it though. The skin just ain't it.
Not with the skin. It tastes kind of like a lemon on the inside.
You can take the skin off of there. You can get added too. I just gotta take this. Now I probably can't mix it up, the skin up inside the blender. I won't have to feel the
All
texture.
you gotta do is pop
You
it
can
open.
get added.
Pop it open like that.
I'm gonna need like 3, y'all. Nah, maybe 4. Y'all got that sweet hit. Y'all got the kick to them. Man, how you just do that? You popped it open? What you do?
Don't you taste that out?
That was pretty easy.
It wasn't bad, but I don't like it with the skin. I don't know what they put what you can eat with skin. But you probably can. But it tastes just like a lemon peel.
It ain't much to eat.
Yeah, that too. So tiny.
It ain't much there.
Okay. I get that like a. I give it
I give it a 3 for simple fact.
like a 2.
The flavor it do got is amazing. I ain't gonna talk. It was off the chain.
I give it like a 2 or 3.
But the what they call it? The how they what they call it?
I want to try this next. This
Oh yeah,
look
that's what we're
crazy.
going to. No, we gotta do that last.
Why I gotta do it last?
We ain't gonna do that last.
I mean, I guess we can. What we got left to try? Oh, we only got 2 left.
berries.
Okay. Alright.
Yeah, these going down the drain. I ain't even gotta think about that's the black things and seeds because one of them had popped open. Just a little. It's basically like a green cherry to me, a soft green cherry. They say it's a kiwi. Kiwi is, if you
show
know,
y'all
my
inside.
favorite fruit.
Inside, look just like a kiwi.
Oh, it did?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah.
Let
Let me know when you're ready.
Okay, we can go.
You need to open yours first, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I'm ready. Not as good as I was hoping.
It's not nasty.
But it's definitely different. I like it.
Too mushy.
But it ain't got enough sweetness at all, though.
That either.
It's real soft on the sweet.
I get
And they
that.
got nothing on a regular kiwi.
2.
That's the 2. You can't go in my smoothie. It's over. And I had the most anticipation for you.
I don't even know how to
It's our
cut
grand
this. This
finale.
shit look crazy. Oh, okay. That was easy.
Everybody could just
pop
bust
it
that open. Ours don't look like the one I be seeing on TV. Ours don't look like theirs, bro.
Right. I would pop up all of them just to see
I
how.
wonder if I just pop the bitch over my hand. Yeah, you can pop that up. Oh, this one look more like it. I don't know about this one. This don't look like ours. Mine look a little like a brownish, grayish.
Right. I thought they'd be looking like
I
white.
thought it was like a pearl, color of pearl type shit. Like everything looked better on, in the picture. Look, full moon. I mess with y'all. But if I wake up tomorrow and I feel like something crawling in my stomach. Look at that, man. Then that side like dark.
It's juicy as shit.
Man, I'm going
I
in.
don't
You
look
ready?
like it don't look like I'm gonna like the texture, but come on.
You ready? No, they ain't got about the whole thing. I'm about
not.
to take a nibble.
Yeah, no, I'm not.
Okay.
I'm glad you wasn't.
Tastes like a not cantaloupe, melon or something honeydew. Tastes just like honeydew. One of them things. But you can't bite it though. Can you bite into it? Was you able to bite it?
No, it's like a plum seed in the middle, like a fat plum seed.
Oh, that's right. Okay. You can't bite that at all.
That's what I said. It's like a fat
No,
plum seed.
none of this.
Oh.
All right.
So what's just juice? It's just like the texture of it, get on the outside, the slime and shit. Cause this shit definitely comes straight off. Like,
It come out, but I don't know how to eat that.
I'm not eating it. I give it a 1. I don't know. I was too nervous to
I get that a 2.
it. I'm a hypochondriac, so I probably.
It tasted good. It just looked like not what I seen on Facebook and all the other pictures I've seen of that food.
At all.
It let me down highly. But there's orange and them kumquats. They about to meet they doom.
Yeah, this orange was fire.
For sure.
I fucks with the orange. I'm actually have to cut me another piece. But yeah, this was cool. Like I said, y'all can check out Full Moon Fruits. We still gonna try some more. They got hella fruits, like hella. So we're gonna order some more. You know what I'm saying? For y'all, try those out.
We gotta make sure we see when they
Blood oranges for the win.
yeah, definitely. Blood orange got the dub.
Definitely. Definitely for the win.
I'll second that.
So, make sure y'all like this video, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? And
we come with some bangers for y'all. Definitely.
go check out some of the mosaic fruits. You feel me?
Y'all know we take trips. We got trips coming back to back. Y'all know how we get down with the trips.
Mm-hmm.
All that's on the way. You know what I'm saying? This coronavirus letting up. finally
stay
show our
tuned.
ass. Don't tune out.
Peace.